बुलाने हमारे शैतान का साला. Put your hands together, everybody, for the Horror Championship. Come on, everybody, let's make it loud. Let's make some noise for the entire team here on stage, everybody. Okay. Okay, so media, thank you so much. Now we move forward. So I settle down so that we move forward. We know a little more about them. About what is House School 4 all about.
I actually told them a little more about him.
Of
Not
course.
really about him.
Okay, so a little more about the role Bala. Yes. Can I request you all so I am requesting, Rakshit sir is also requesting you all to please take your seats so that we begin with some insights of the movie. Can I request you all to please take your
మీడియా
seats?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Amazing.
కొంచెం 5 minutes కూర్చోండి. అయిన తర్వాత స్పీచ్ అయిన తర్వాత నేను ఒక గ్రూప్ ఫోటో ఇస్తాను మీకు.
Yeah, so we are going to give opportunity to all the media for photo op. So for now, can we get going? Please take your seats. The team House School 4 is here, and I'm more than capture. We are all here to listen about the new song ladies on stage are here for. So let's get going and let's hear a little more about them. Welcome to Hyderabad. Welcome to Park.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to you, of course. She lives here, and I'm sure she can well connect to all our media here, and she'll be here to talk a little more. Yeah, so let's know a little bit more about your new role, Bala. As we can see, role, and this is first time ever that we're all watching you in this new role. So, how's the feeling, and what was it all about?
What is
As a
it all
Bala.
about? What is it all about?
Like, how was it feeling shooting for the song?
Okay, my character's name is Bala. He was born in 1400 and 400. No, then he was 19 years old when he did the song.
Oh, he was 19 years old?
Yeah, he was 19 years old.
Only.
Yeah, so it's a very funny film, and it's a continuation of like what you guys all know about Houseful 1, 2, 3. It's a continuation of that, and the characters are different. And what else can I say? I can just say that it's a funny film. It's a I don't know much more to what do I say about it, but I always say that whenever I need a holiday, I do a film called Houseful because I just want to relax. I just want to chill out and enjoy myself. So guys, this is a film you guys can come with your family and come and watch and chill out with this kind of a film, and that's it. So my role is just
I think all the madness that he has inside himself and all the pagalpanti that he ever wanted to do, he has done it in this character, and it's become that.
okay. And you can start asking any questions.
Hello.
Sit there. The chairs are for you. Okay. Come.
We'll open it for the media.
Hi, sir. I'm Jyoti here.
Oh, I know you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. Sir, we have been seeing you doing different roles every year. You come with something different. We imagine when Akshishar sir is coming, nothing will be repeated. All these years, which was your favorite role, or you can say you have worked out more on that? A look especially, I think in that look you have worked hard. As we can see, no
I
hair
have
and
worked
something.
hard on a look. I must say that was 2.0. With Rajni sir I had done, and that was the hardest look I had ever done. But this is fun. This I wouldn't say.
But for today, sir, have you actually removed or it's like?
No, ma'am. This is all makeup.
Okay. Let them guess now. That's for you to guess. Because after a long time we're seeing you like without hair.
And the
Still you're
makeup,
looking
I
handsome.
must introduce Karan. Come here, please. He's the guy who did my makeup. Karan, इधर बेटा ऊपर नहीं. हाँ. Karan, he's the guy.
Oh!
His sister actually does the makeup, but he's the guy responsible. He's done a lot of makeup for me, and I did a film called Brother also. He did there also. He's a very nice guy. He's a Punjabi boy. And anything, Karan, would
पंजाबी
you
में
like
बाल
to
हटा
say?
दिए.
I love Akshay sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, but sir, it looks so real. I mean, in
Thank
this
you.
also looking so
Thanks to
handsome.
him. Thanks to him.
So actually, Akshay sir doesn't wear a drop of makeup.
Hmm.
Like that's why he says 2.0 was the maximum work he does, because I think you take what 10 minutes for makeup. And
2.0,
So he had to say-
30 years of my life when I have not put makeup, they have put all the 30 years of makeup on my face in there. That's it.
Yeah, so he used to sit how long? So
For 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours.
And 1.5 hours to remove it.
Wow. Okay.
And
That's
3
why.
hours to shoot.
So this must have been super easy for you. And sir, this movie is coming in Hindi. As you know, all the movies have been coming in multi-language. So is there any chance we'll see this movie in multi-languages? Is there any plans are there?
This answer the Fox people can give. They are sitting somewhere here. Fox. Ma'am, is it going to come in any other language? Currently it is Hindi only.
And if it's in Telugu, would you like to do the role?
Would I like to?
Do the role for the Telugu hero. If it's come in remake, a future remake in Telugu.
I would love to. I mean, say somebody has to cast me. The person only has to know that I really don't know how to speak, but I can try and learn.
And how many series are you expecting now? Houseful
Sorry?
4. It's a Houseful 4. So how many series you wanted to go on? Like
Have they all given you the questions?
no, I'm
Nobody else is going to ask. I
okay.
thought they've all given you a chit. अरे तू भी मेरा पूछ लेना ना. तू भी मेरा पूछ लेना.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay, okay.
So famous with working with South Indian girls. I mean to say they work in South first and then they come to your movies. You can see that with Pooja, Kriti, Nitya, Kajal, a lot of other girls. So tell me, is there any USP for that you're famous with the girls who work then cast in your movies?
I think I'll tell you something. I have worked with a lot of South Indian directors and I have learned a lot, whether it's from Priyan sir, Shankar sir, Murugadoss sir. I have done a lot of work from South. And what I have learned is being professional, coming on time, doing your work properly. So if you're saying, when these girls, they come from South, they learn so much and they become more and more professional. It becomes good and easy for me. So I like doing that.
Hi everyone.
Akshay, you're so famous to do pranks. Last time we asked your actresses too. So I want to know from the girls if
No, I have
Did-
not played any kind of pranks. They can tell.
you can.
We just play fun games and all on set, but thankfully there has been no pranks on us as yet.
Hi everyone, this is Tanvi from ETV भारत. सबसे
Hi,
पहले तो
Tanvi.
मैं अक्षय से पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपकी माउसिक क्या है, आप बाला बन के आए हैं, तो मुझे कहाँ है?
मैडम सीधो के साथ मुझे नहीं जा रही
अच्छा।
थी तो मतलब ये
आज
एक्चुअली
काट लिए।
ये जो है बाला 2.0
it's a funny mustache, so I didn't wear it. You want me to wear it, ma'am?
मेरा सवाल कृति से भी है, लुका छिपी वाली कृति से एक्चुअली कि
Thank you for clarification.
आपने लुका छिपी की, उसके बाद अर्जुन पटियाला और फिर एक और कॉमेडी फिल्म, तो आपको हालांकि तीनों अलग अलग हैं लेकिन
और तरह की फिल्म करूँगी तो वो टाइपकास्ट जो भी हो रहा है वो हट जाएगा. एंड पर्सनली आई लव डूइंग लाइट हार्टेड कॉमेडी फिल्म्स. आई थिंक आजकल लाइफ में सबकी लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रेस है और वी ऑल नीड अ डोज ऑफ लाफ्टर. And I think it's so much fun to sort of make people smile and make people laugh. And if I'm able to do that, why not?
ओके, थैंक यू मैम. अगला सवाल अक्षय जी से कि आपने मैं एक कॉप भी बने हैं सूर्यवंशी तक, उसके अलावा आप विलन भी बने हैं और कॉमेडी, तो तीनों जॉनर में से आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है?
थोड़ा डर लगा, आप मुझे भी पूछने वाले हैं कि आप भी टाइपकास्ट हो गए हैं क्योंकि मुझे कौन सा अच्छा रोल लगता है. मुझे एक्शन विद कॉमेडी वाला रोल ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
थैंक यू.
सर इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर इतना तखलिया वाला आपका रिएक्शन बहुत जानलेवा है.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. लेकिन प्रश्न क्या है?
पुनर्जन्म वाला तड़का कैसा होगा?
पुनर्जन्म वाला तड़का बिल्कुल अलग है, बिल्कुल ऐसा कभी आया नहीं है पुनर्जन्म कॉमेडी के अंदर। 1419 की फिल्म और फिर 2019 में आती है, तो इसका जो तड़का है बिल्कुल अलग सा है। कोई मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कोई ऐसी फिल्म देखी है जो कॉमेडी के अंदर 1419 में जाती है, कभी नहीं हिंदी सिनेमा में बनी। तो ये पहली फिल्म रहेगी जो 1419 के अंदर एक कॉमेडी के हिसाब से जाती है।
तखलिया
रिएक्शन चाहिए आपको?
तकलिया।
मतलब पैसे नहीं खर्चना, पिक्चर भी देख ले, सारी चीजें यहीं देख ले। हाँ सर, नहीं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बहुत फनी फिल्म है, बहुत ही मतलब मैंने अपने बच्चों को दिखाई ये फिल्म एंड इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी फनी फिल्म।
Good evening, Akshay and good evening, three ladies here. Ayushi from Fever FM, and congratulations, it was lovely song. I really liked it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
I really liked it, sir. So, sir, my question is definitely आज नौमी का दिन है और आपके बगल में 3 देवियाँ हैं. So my question is to 3 of you, talking about your character. You're playing queen in the film, and मुझे बड़ी curiosity है जानने की कौन किसकी भाभी है. So I definitely want to know about your characters.
वो आपको मूवी देखने के बाद पता चलेगा.
Okay, talking about your characters. Talking about your characters, 3 of you. We can start with you, Pooja.
They're very new age women. There's no like particular characteristics. We are Rajkumaris, we are princesses, and in this life we are sisters. So you just have to like, we have different partners. There's no particular character. It's just a comedy. It's a fun film.
Kriti.
I think it's fun to play 2 different times. There is a 1419 and there is a 2019. 2019 was fairly easy because we're almost like how we are, and we do play sisters as she said. 1419 ना वो दुनिया ही बहुत अलग दुनिया है, मतलब कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है वो कैसी दुनिया है. पीरियड है पर उसमें कॉमेडी है, जिस तरह से डायलॉग्स हैं वो डायलॉग्स लिखे गए हैं हंसी लाने के लिए. एंड दोज कॉस्ट्यूम्स I think I loved wearing, you know, and dressing up as Rajkumari Madhu. And yeah, we had a lot of fun throughout.
Awesome. Kriti.
नमस्कारम. I actually taught her wrong, so that was my bad.
ये गलत इसने मुझे सिखाया आते ही
मैंने आगे सॉरी बोला.
अंदर की नमस्कार.
थोड़ा confusion हो गया था. I'm really sorry about that. But Ravadan ki chala thanks. I want to thank every media member. We didn't have the opportunity earlier, but I'd like to thank each and everyone who's here. I think for me the highlight of doing Houseful, for all 3 girls, I think it is with the 3 boys, we were given this opportunity to try our hand at action. And वो 20 किलो का लहंगा पहन के जब हमने तलवारबाजी करी है, you can see a shot in the trailer with the barn which Kriti has a shot. So everyone in the film has been given an opportunity to do something different. And I think that is the canvas that we want to showcase. I know it's about comedy, but we've made it a spectacle for everybody, and I think it's something that people are going to enjoy watching, not just in terms of khali comedy nahi hai, but it's got a lot of drama, there's a lot of story, and of course it's beautiful and it's scenic. So I think it's going to be a great watch for everybody, from kids to adults. Everyone's going to enjoy it.
Awesome. Thank you. So easy or difficult it was for you?
I think Bald is beautiful. It is beautiful. एक तो क्या है ना, एक तो बॉल के अंदर ये भी रहता है कि आदमी शैम्पू पैसे पे खर्चा नहीं करता.
कंगी
नहीं सही बात है. और कभी उसे कंगी बनाने का कोई फिक्र नहीं होता है, ब्लो ड्राई करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. It's amazing to be bald. लो मेंटेनेंस.
कंगी नहीं खरीदनी पड़ती.
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताएं, आप में से कोई ऐसा नौजवान है जो आके ये स्टेप करना चाहेगा, ये जो बाला का स्टेप?
Anyone
He is going to teach you.
आप करोगे?
He will teach you. ये सिर्फ लड़कों के लिए.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
नहीं हम सबने किया है, हमने लहंगों में किया है.
अक्षय जी ये सिर्फ लड़कों के लिए.
अच्छा मान
हम भी आ सकते हैं.
नहीं आप भी आ सकते हैं. एक मिनट बेटे रुक जाए. पता है आपने टी शर्ट पे एक्सप्लोड पहना हुआ है लेकिन अभी नहीं हो. कैन वी हैव द सॉन्ग अगेन? कैन वी तो ये निकालो. हाँ इस पे दिखा सकते हैं. You guys are great
You guys are
sportsmen.
fab.
Like,
Thank you very much for coming. Now let's go back to the question answers. Anybody?
Yeah, I have two questions. I'm Roshan from Siyasat. I have two questions. My first question is, who was the most fun co-star to work with? My question is with Akshay sir. Who was
Who are the?
most fun co-star to work with?
You're all funny.
The most.
The most. Yeah, actually very funny. You have to watch the film. There are some, everybody has individual scenes and they are very, very funny. That's why they've been casted in Housefull. If I'm funny, that's why Sajid Nandewala, my producer, he cast me. They are funny, that's why they are there. So it is very difficult for me to answer this.
And my second question is, you have done movies like Mangal,
Mission Mangal.
Yeah, Mission Mangal, that was women-centric, and even Houseful 4. Like, you have worked with most fabulous actresses from the industry, but the movies, I said, like Akshay Kumar's film, and Mission Mangal was like Akshay Kumar's Mission Mangal. So, when do you think that this would change in the
Ma'am, where does it come, Akshay Kumar Mission Mangal?
in the articles, if you see, or anyone
No.
mentioning it?
So article I don't write, you write it.
Yeah, I write the article, that's
I don't
sure.
write, ma'am.
So
So
when do
do
you
I.
think this would change in Bollywood? If even if we
No.
go
There are
back.
some people who have to write rightly. It is not my fault. It has never say Houseful Akshay Kumar.
What about Mission Mangal, sir?
Mission Mangal also, it never said that. It is just going according to the seniority. Okay, ma'am? So no. Everybody is big and good and everybody does a great job. Okay? So I'll tell you honestly, because of these ladies in Mission Mangal, film is a hit, not because of me. There is a lady luck. It is the lady luck who is standing here. Where's the third one? So
So
it is because of them.
2019 has become a Lady Luck.
Sorry?
2019 it became fabulous because of Lady Luck, right?
Oh, since my marriage, it has been there.
True, yeah, I love your wife, to be honest.
Sorry?
I love your wife more than you, to be honest. I'm sorry, but I love your wife more than you. She's amazing woman.
I don't doubt that, ma'am. I'm sure you do. I'm sure.
Yeah, I do.
I'm sure, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Sir, this movie is based on Purjan.
Purunjan.
So how much you believe personally in this? अगर आपको कुछ याद है और आपको लगे कि मैं पूर्ण में ये था, so what you would like to be?
What I like to be?
Yeah, or you feel sometimes okay, ऐसा होगा.
I think this is a great character to be. Just look at him. I think he's a great character to be. He has everything. And what else can I say? I think like this character I would like to be.
Personally, how much believe in this?
How much I believe? Yeah, I believe.
Personally.
Yeah, I believe. I believe whom I was married to, whom I was with, I believe. Yeah, but I'm not sharing that with you.
I know on everybody we have amazing questions to ask and lots of questions here, but in the interest of time, we're going to take last two questions.
No, it's okay. I'm enjoying myself.
Okay, then we'll
Akshay ji.
we'll go on.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, one second. She had, I was supposed to, yeah. Can you ask after? आप पूछिए मैम.
Yes. Hello, Akshay sir. First of all, welcome to Hyderabad.
Thank you.
I just want to ask you, I'm sure you've traveled several times to Hyderabad, you've shot for films here. Are there any special memories that you want to share with this city that you have? Anything that you like to share? The food is amazing and some people mention about the food that you like here.
Ma'am, they just get me here at the airport. They make me sit in the car and सीधे रामाजी राव ले जाते हैं. उसके बाद याद ही नहीं रहता कुछ कहाँ लेके जाते हैं.
But are there any memories from like
Ma'am,
when you shot here?
so I have shot a film called Janwar near Charminar. So that was the only film I shot in the city itself. And I used to get great food, biryani, everything. And क्योंकि मेरा producer जो था, मेरा producer director सुनील दर्शन, उनको भी बहुत शौक था खाने पीने का. So because of that, we used to get a lot of good food to eat. So that was the only memory. Otherwise, all my memories goes to Ramoji Rao only. Now also I'm shooting there only. I came from there only. Yeah, ma'am, you want to ask? Yeah.
Hi, this is
Hi.
Kakuri
Yeah.
Energy from ETV Bharat.
Yes, ma'am.
एक्चुअली आपके जो डायलॉग्स हैं ऑलरेडी बहुत फेमस हो चुके हैं आफ्टर दिस ट्रेलर. यस, ट्रेलर के बाद जो भी डायलॉग सामने आए हैं जैसे कि इसी मुंह से कह दो,
हाँ, और
इसी मुंह से कह दो।
हाँ, तकिया के बाद आपका रिएक्शन। इतने सारे डायलॉग्स में आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है?
आपको?
आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है?
अच्छा, मेरा फेवरेट कौन सा है? अच्छा मैम, मेरा फेवरेट कौन सा है? आई थिंक इसी मुंह से कह दो।
अच्छा, ये आपका फेवरेट है।
हाँ जी।
और एक चीज मुझे बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी है
आराम से।
पर्सनली, टोरेंटोला का रोल क्या है इसमें?
किसका?
ये जो मकड़ी है ना टोरेंटोला,
हाँ, हाँ,
ये
हाँ।
बड़ा वाला,
हाँ, हाँ।
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल है, बहुत
It is-
बहुत
it's-
इम्पोर्टेंट। अच्छा,
yeah.
और जो देखे कृति का चेहरा एकदम से मतलब बहुत डर जाती
क्योंकि
है।
वो,
मैम आपके सामने आएगा तो आप भी डर जाओगे।
बॉस
that spider is being paid with her.
Yeah, I'm opposite the spider.
सर केसरी, मंगल, फिर अब हाउसफुल 4 लगातार कंटिन्यू सक्सेस। एक साल में फीलिंग क्या है? एक साल में 3 फिल्मों की कामयाबी की?
नहीं, चौथा आ रहा है।
ये
गुड न्यूज़ आ रहा है।
गुड न्यूज़।
हाँ, अभी साल खत्म नहीं हुआ, चौथा।
गुड न्यूज़ भी है।
हाँ हाँ, अभी आएगा, दिसंबर में आएगा।
यस, वो भी सक्सेस रहेगा।
नहीं, वो सक्सेस का मालूम नहीं साहब, लेकिन ये है कि अभी वो आ रहा है। ये
आपके फीलिंग्स क्या है सर?
फीलिंग्स का मुझे नहीं मालूम। आदमी मेहनत करता है, फीलिंग्स का क्या है? फीलिंग्स तो हर आदमी को यही चाहता है कि उसका फिल्म हिट हो, लेकिन वो कभी नहीं होता है, कभी हो जाता है, तो फीलिंग्स का भरोसा नहीं है।
This is Gopal from South East. Sir, congratulations, extra trailer and a good song. नॉर्मली रावण बोले तो 10 सिर रहते हैं, मगर इसमें 9 है। ये कहाँ गया? ये बाला के स्पेशल है।
एक पीछे है शायद।
कौन है वो?
नहीं, ये सर अभी जैसा भी है ये अभी सर
मूवी का है ना दशरथ।
अच्छा, इतना ही आप, लेकिन आपने इतना देखा।
या
अच्छा, ये बात बताओ, ये ट्रेलर के अंदर कितना बार बाला बोला मैंने? आप बताओ।
10 to 12 times.
हाँ,
10 to 12 times.
66 टाइम।
60. Wow.
तो अभी इतना मत गौर से देखो ना यार, अभी चलता है।
Okay.
थोड़ा माफ करो।
You know how difficult, for Akshay sir, this is something that he's done since his start, and this is his forte. So is there some difficulties which you guys faced while attempting comedy? And are there things that Akshay sir taught you during your shooting process? Yeah, I think it's one of the toughest genres to do. To make people laugh is very difficult. But Akshay sir has been...
Okay, before I just want to say, I just want to request in front of the media, please stop calling me Akshay sir. I would just tell you, just call me Akshay. I'm very, very happy. Please.
Are you sure?
It's a
Are you
request.
sure?
It's a request.
Okay then.
Yeah, but we learned from him. I've learned a lot from him because I think one good thing that he's not afraid. Like if we tell him that it's not funny, he's very open to improvising. He takes on the spot. So many lines he's added himself. So he's so in the now, and I think he's been doing it for years now. He's such a pro at it, and so I feel like I was just a sponge sitting on set trying to absorb everything from Akshay, Ritesh, and everyone.
And Bobs.
And Bobs, yeah. Of course, Bobby. Yeah. So it's a very difficult genre, but I'm so glad that I could be a part of it.
I think to do comedy, and it's very difficult to make people laugh. It's sometimes if you have to ham, then it's even more difficult because it's out of your comfort zone. It's not so real anymore. And sometimes when you're doing a comedy and maybe you're having a bad day and your mood is not good, but you can't get that on set. So I think that switch off is something which is very important. In this film, especially with him, I think the toughest thing for me was to not laugh when I was not supposed to laugh. So I think there's so many times that I've cracked up and we've cut the scene because I've cracked up. So I think that was one thing. And yeah, Akshay, I think I'll call you AK. I'll call you AK.
सर, वो सवाल किसने किया था वो रावण के 10 साल? सर मुझे जवाब देना चाहता हूँ। सर ये रावण ने है पाला, तो रावण नहीं है, यह है बाला, शैतान का साला। रावण ने है पाला, तो रावण से छोटा ही है।
This is what happens on set. This is how his brain works. Actually,
See, honestly, of course, every genre, I think every genre is difficult. If your heart is not in it, acting is nothing but reacting, and we have some fabulous actors in this film. We have Akshay, we have Ritesh, we have Bobby, and they made life so much easier, especially especially Akshay, because I think
God, that sounded so odd.
This Houseful is a baby, like he said, this is a vacation movie. He won't let anyone ruin it. He made sure everybody had fun, and everyone did. And I think it's showing in our trailer, and the kind of response we received has been fab. So as actors, I think all three of us can very happily say that we're very satisfied, and we're going back, learning so much from this set while having so much fun. Time ka nikalga pata bhi nahi chala, and now we're just looking forward to our release.
Much everyone, and everybody should, we all should have 3 cheers for the people who came up for the Hyderabad press. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! And thank you very much. Thank you. 1 second.
Okay.